The banners there saying this is the trailer for 2014. Those are the supporters, the BJP supporters outside holding those banners. You can have a look there at those banners. And Nirmala, give me a second. I'll just come to you. My colleague Rohit Bhan is standing outside. Rohit, it's clearly a victory for the BJP. And talk to us a little bit about these banners that the cadres have come with.
That's right. In fact, we're just outside the office, and you can see their supporters have gathered here, chanting slogans, pro-Modi slogans. And if you can see those banners, CM 2012, Narendra Modi, Prime Minister 2014. So clearly, the Gujarat BJP seems to have made up its mind on who the Prime Ministerial candidate is. Of course, it's been a topic of discussion all throughout. The politics in Gujarat is different from politics in Delhi. But here, for the common BJP worker, they have already made up their mind. They're saying it's a victory nonetheless. The numbers may be argued, the numbers may be discussed, but a victory is a victory. That's what essentially what they're saying. They're saying this is trailer, see film in 2014. These are the kind of banners we're witnessing here outside the BJP office. A lot of celebration here. And mind you, we would expect much more in the few hours when we expect the Chief Minister himself to come here. We've been told that post-noon, he could be here on way to the BJP office from his CM's residence and then attend a victory celebration here. He's going to address his party workers. But for the workers, they have already assembled here outside here, raising slogans in favor of the party, in favor of the Chief Minister himself. And this banner is quite interesting, wherein they have already declared himself as a prime ministerial candidate. So obviously lots of enthusiasm and excitement here, though the final figure is still to come in. But we've been talking to several BJP leaders. They are maintaining that it will be more than what they had got last time around. And the trends which are coming in suggesting it could be, they are touching that 117 figure. So for the party workers, a lot of jubilation here, which is very understandable. In fact, if I can pan my camera right behind, you can see the truck which has come here. The truck which has already come here, the stage will be set up very shortly. In fact, the process for getting this truck was already on. Now in a few minutes time, the material being offloaded from these trucks, they will set up a stage here where the Chief Minister Narendra Modi is going to arrive here post-noon, following which he'll address his party workers.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.